Today, I, Stefan from Animative Space, where we create stylized art, will be taking this plane, turn it into this base, and sculpt it till it looks like this leaf. Can I do this in 5 steps? Let's see. To do this, the first step will be to create a Bezier curve in the shape that we require. Now let's create a plane and turn it into our base. Now that we have it curved, we can export it to Zbrush to create the high poly mesh. Whoa, we're at number 4, we might not make it. I like the sculpt, but it needs some color. With color, it looks perfect, and we got it done in 5 steps. Technically, if you like content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.